In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Telegram channel for trading signal. First, I open Telegram app on my Android phone. Now, click on this pencil icon. Now, click on new channel. Then select your channel name. Okay, now choose a image for your channel. So I put this image, this one. Just click on enter. Then you can write here description. Keep in mind this is only optional. Then click on enter. Then select your channel private or public. Then again just paste here. I want to put a username. You must be need to set this option. Okay, this is only available. Just click on enter. Again click on enter. Wow, my channel are ready. Now I need to add some member. You can go this channel name. Then you can see this is a link. You can share anywhere this link. Then add people. Now you can upload your trading signal image. You can see I uploaded, and this one I uploaded. When you have a lots of subscriber, they are found this signal. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.